gonna make summer roll, spring roll. This is 3 eggs. I'm gonna crack the egg. Just you will see. I will make this summer roll. So I crack the egg. 3 right now. All right. I'm gonna show you what I am doing tonight. Okay, very simple. Cooking with seasoning salt, magic cooking salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in here just a little bit, just for taste, not too much. That's it, not too much. And I'm gonna beat the egg. Very easy. That's it. Just turn the pot. I'm gonna turn the stove on. Yep. Stove is on, let me get hot, and I am going to go ahead using avocado oil right here. Avocado oil, you can use any kind of oil, okay, but for me I have this one in the house, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. Go ahead, use this. That's it. Good oil. Okay, the oil getting hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead stir fry the egg. Hear that? Yeah, very easy, guys. This is like appetizer and healthy, so you can eat anytime. Doesn't matter. That's what I am doing. Eat anytime. So now let's go ahead. Let me cook it out and cook for a couple minutes. See that? That's how you cook the egg. This is the Asian Laos style. Cooking egg Laos style. And this is going to be like, okay, let it crispy. See the bottom? Nice, crispy. Cook it. I'm going to go ahead and flip over. Go ahead and flip over. Just like that. Beautiful, nice, like a pancake. See that? Like a pancake, guys. Nice. Flip over. Okay, this is done. Turn off the stove. So easy. Very easy, guys. Very easy. So pancake egg done. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one. That's it. Like that. Just cut piece by piece like that. Very easy, and an easy appetizer. You can eat late night, no problem either. You know, anything happen cooking with seafood. So that's ready to go right there. Look at that, piece by piece. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do boil the water. I'm gonna show you what I am doing. Boil the water. Just make it warm, not very hot. Just warm up, that's all. Look at, guys, all the healthy vegetable. This is watercress. This is cilantro. This is the salad, the lettuce, and this is cucumber. This is red berries, spring onion. This is noodle and boiled shrimp. See that, guys? And the last one gonna be egg, cook like a pancake and cut piece by piece and just chop like that. I will show you how to roll this vegetable roll. Okay, the water is warm. Just temperature warm. So I'm done with this water. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water in here. See that? Oh no, it's wrong side. Okay, guys, I put the wrong side. This is the way to go. Put the warm water in here. Yeah, that's it. Warm water in there. Okay, I got some vegetable. I got cilantro. Then I got a watercress. Got watercress just like that. I got a cucumber. And I got red berries. Everything very healthy. I got spring onion. Little spring onion. I got noodle. little bit noodles. You want to put too much. Like that, just like that. Okay. And I got the egg. I just cooked a few minutes ago. Got the egg to make a flavor. And I got the shrimp. You guys got the shrimp. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna roll. You know this rice paper is very sticky. Now I'm gonna roll just like that. Okay. Very easy, guys. Enjoy. This is food very healthy. You can eat late night, no problem. But it's very healthy. All the vegetables, shrimp don't make you fat, and the egg don't make you fat, nothing either. That's ready to go. See that? Spring roll, summer roll, vegetable roll, anything roll. And done. One.
Beyond the strategy, behind the wisdom, there is courage, bravery, honor, patriotism,
Gonna keep show you how I do this. Very easy. Everybody can do it. You put any vegetable you like. You put any kind of meat you like. Good. See that? Yum. Okay, guys. The key is a dipping sauce right here. Party tiny dipping sauce. That's the key right here. So we're gonna go ahead and dip with this one. Yep, gonna go ahead and dip with this one. Yep, that's it. And here come my summer roll, spring roll, vegetable roll, swim roll, whatever you want to call. It's healthy, so you can eat with 2 people. Oh, you'll be surprised, you can get full of this. Okay guys, this is it's very good. And I'm gonna go ahead, sit down and eat this. Oh yes, sit down, eat this. Okay guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will come back more. I can show you and share with you, okay? Thank you, bye bye guys.